We are finding out LU factorization method here, which has another name, triangular decomposition. This is a direct method to solve a system of linear equation given in this form, summation aij equals to bi. Let us assume that this system of linear equation can be written as in the form of ax equals to b, where A is the coefficient matrix, capital X is given required vector, and small b is a right hand vector. Now assuming that coefficient matrix A can be decomposed in terms of LU, so where L equals to this matrix in general form lower triangular, and this is the 3 by 3 form lower triangular. U is upper triangular, this is the general form, and this is the 3 by 3 particular case. Now we have to write A equals to this matrix into this matrix so that we can find all the values of L and all the values of U. And after finding out L values and U values, we should use the equation Ax equals to b in terms of this to find x here, but x is unknown, so that we can set ux equals to y. Y is also unknown. So now if we set ux equals to y, we have the equation like that, ly equals to b, and y is in this matrix, required matrix. L is known now and b is also known to us, so that by forward substitution, this is the forward substitution, we can calculate the y matrix. And in next we are using the equation given in 4, that is ux equals to y. We should find the value of x by backward substitution. Now here is an example. This is our given system of linear equation, which can be written as ax equals to b. A is the coefficient matrix given, x is the required vector, and b is right hand vector. Now we are writing this A equals to lower into upper triangular matrix, and multiplying these two matrix should be equal to this A matrix, and comparing these two we can find all L values and all U values by calculation like that. Here we should calculate this from u1 to u13, u2 to l3 to u23, and all L and U values we can calculate. Multiplying these two matrices we get another 3 by 3, and that equals to this coefficient, and then compare and should get the all L values and U values. And after that, putting L values, we get lower triangular 3 by 3, and for U values we can find all U matrix. After that, we should use the equation Ly equals to b, where L is known to us, y should be a requirement vector, and b is given. So by forward substitution means we should multiply again this 2, that is equals to this equals to right hand vector, and by forward substitution means y1 is given, then put y1 so that we get y2, and put y1 y2 so that we get y3. So all y matrix we can find out, and at last we should use ux equals to y. U matrix is already we have, x is x y z, and y matrix we should find out from here. So put all this in equation, and then multiply again multiply these two matrix so that we get this equation. This is equal to this, and by backward substitution, that means first z equals to 3, then put z here, we get y, and yz should be put in first equation so that we get x equals to, so that we get x, y and z, which is our regular answer. Thank you.